Computer science videos here today to show you guys and tell you today could be the day you reach the long-term goal and make it as a successful YouTube channel. Without further ado, let us start the video. So let's now go down to the dock, go to Google Chrome. Let's just go to my channel, youtube.com/ComputerScienceVideos. And so, once again, YouTube has changed their system and their algorithm. Let's navigate on the channel to videos. And now the first thing you see is the thumbnails are bigger and better, have been rounded off the corners. In fact, there are no more any corners. What we also see is a popular section. Let's click on this and we can now see the most viewed videos on the channel, as well as recently uploaded, and the days of going back to the previous videos no longer available. What you'll have to do is scroll all the way to the top to the bottom to get to the first videos that had ever been uploaded to a YouTube channel. So what YouTube here are doing is trying to focus on everything that has been released recently and the most popular. They are no longer considering videos that could have been uploaded 10 years ago or 15 years ago. So it's all what's being uploaded now and the most popular. There's also a section on YouTube Shorts. So these videos are like 10 to 15 seconds of Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, all on YouTube Shorts, recently uploaded and popular. The two main focuses: if you have 1,000 videos, it'll take you some time to scroll all the way to the top and bottom. The main focus, recently uploaded, and the popular. Click on live. I'm not done any videos. I will do some in the near future, but all the live videos would be here. Let's go to playlist. Click on a playlist, and that's how the playlist is. Very different to what it used to be. Let's go back one. Community, channel, about. And so what's happening now is they have changed their whole system and their algorithm. You may have noticed some changes within your channel. What you will need to do is rethink, re-energize the strategies in order to become the best from the rest, as there are 50 million YouTube channels as well as 800 million videos on this platform. Pick a topic, pick a niche. Are you thinking to create YouTube Shorts or just YouTube videos? Try mix and match. You can stick to one, build the audience, monetize, take it to the next level, decode the algorithm, become the best. And hopefully that 5-year plan you had will become smooth, take you 5 years to accomplish your goals. But with these changes, what happens is you then have to work 2 times faster to accomplish your long-term goals in order to achieve and live the best. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial and video. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.